This is Rhapsody Clicks. If you're not a partner, I want you to become one today. Click on the link and become a partner. Also download the Rhapsody Realities app if you don't have one. Now, if you went to a boarding school or maybe even a day school, secondary school, you would have seen some write-up on the wall. Femi was here, Benga was here, Chidi was here, or you'd have seen something maybe on the ceiling or on a tree or something. And you hear stories of old boys that did some amazing things. Jesus did it like no other person. He stamped his name on the sands of time, and even our calendar today is split into two by the life and the impact that Jesus made. What kind of impact do you want to leave when you leave this earth? Discover how you can do this by reading today's Rhapsody Realities. I love you. God bless you.